many of the opportunities and resources we have, especially at Biloxi High. In reality, we have been fortunate enough to have a high school experience unlike anyone else in the state. Now that we're gathered here to celebrate the accomplishments of the class of 2015, it's a great time to acknowledge those who are success and be accredited. Thank you to the City of Biloxi for putting such a great emphasis on education and investing in the youth. The school building, technology, learning resources, and athletic facilities are unmatched. As a student at Biloxi High, I've always felt the strong support from the community, and it's great knowing that the whole city is behind you wishing for your success. Thank you to the administrators for making the hard decisions and doing what is right as opposed to what is popular. Without the wisdom of our administrators, Biloxi High would not be regarded as such a highly respected institution. I'd like to give a special thank you to Ms. Manners for his time as BHS principal. We hope you have a wonderful time. Ms. Manners also allowed me no more than 2 minutes to deliver something extremely unforgettable and profound. While I don't know about the profound aspect, this is definitely something I'll never forget. Thank you to the teachers for devoting their lives to education. The teachers at Biloxi High School genuinely care about each student. I gain the utmost respect for my teachers, and I regard them as educators and friends. Thank you to all the coaches for countless hours spent away from their families and practices and games. I've been blessed to be a member of 2 sports teams here at Biloxi High School, and to tell you the truth, some of the greatest education I've got at Biloxi High School is on the baseball field and cross-country trail. On the surface, coaches are there to train and instruct athletes. The coaches play a much deeper role. While they do teach how to field ground balls or pass ball, they also deliver invaluable lessons about hard work, integrity, and attitude. Thanks to all the parents for their unconditional love and support. The teenage years are a trying time in the relationship of parents and their children. To a teenager, instead of